Finally! I'm out of here. Where did both of them go? Pika! Oh, found you guys. Yeah, we've been waiting for the box for hours. Let's talk about this later. Let's go upstairs. Finally. Okay, come on, follow me. Alright. Maybe. I think I'm a little scared, but alright, I'll just follow you. Which door? That door. Oh, alright. Okay, I'll just get in. Finally. Well, glad you made it. Whoa, folk. Hey, where is everybody? I have no idea. Oh well, folk. I think we're the only ones here. Oh, folk! Oh, Pikachu? Chespin? Where you two been? You see? Well, back at the airport, we're in the backpack in it, but the security guard says that we had to get some... Me and Pikachu had to get out of the backpack because the backpack is so bulky. Oh. So then, I'm in the box, and then I got trapped in there. We got trapped in it. So, we just got stuck here, and I got squished. Same thing to Pikachu. Pika. I know, right? Man, how long I've been staying there in this box? Maybe, a day? Oh, man. A day? That is long. Well, at least you're here and you're back. Yeah, I know. Psst. Monkey.
Whoa, folk. More guns here.
Black Yoshi.
I had to find my light.
Okay, that's better. Monkey. Psst. Wake up!
Oh, folk. What happened?
You see...
Hey, guys.
Oh, hey, Chespin.
Why do you woke me up like that, Redbird?
Because we had to eat breakfast. My God.
You know,
What time is it?
like 4 a.m. in the morning.
4 a.m. in the morning? And you had to just woke me up, Redbird? Yes.
Folk, I need to get some sleep because I felt tired a lot since we're in the airplane.
Well, guys, we're
What?
going somewhere in the next hour, so let's eat.
Alright, fine.
Do you know what we're having?
I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna just get some breakfast.
Let's eat some fish.
Folk, eating fish in the morning? Oh well, folk. This is for like eating breakfast time.
Robert? Yes? Well, you didn't tell us what place are we? We're in the Philippines. Awesome. Yeah, I tell everyone that we're in Philippines. Okay, that's awesome. Anyways, come on. Cool. Awesome river. That's a cool bridge. It's awesome lake. Man, it's awesome lake.
Yeah, I know.
Man, this is really awesome. I wish we can go there again. But we have to pack our things. Why? Because,
we're going to the aunt's house. Oh, alright. Tell the others so we can get in the backpack. Oh, I already did.
You knew that?
Yep. Alright. Come on. Let's go. Let's pack our things and get ready. Yep. Alright. Well, see you later, house. I wish we can visit there again. Come on.
Woo! We're in the car. Or, I think. Huh? SpongeBob? And that weird horse? Ooh. Wait, what did you just say?
He's a donkey.
Oh. Wait, where did you two come from? Oh, you see? When I was at the backyard, I met these two. So, he decided to come with us. Oh, alright, that figures. Wow! It's a lake! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
It's so awesome, right?
Yeah, I know.
It looks like the wow.
Yeah, almost.
And look at the water, it's not even moving. I wish I was a water type so I could use surf or swim.
I know, come on, let's go check this.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, you too, everyone. This is gonna take a while. I need to get some sleep. Don't worry, this is gonna take a while, like a few hours left.
Actually, we might get there at 9 or at 12.
Yeah. Anyways, I had to go take a nap. What? Oh, we're finally here? Yeah, we're finally here. Yeah, after all these hours, it really hurts our butts. Yeah, me too. And my neck is feeling pain in my back too. So yeah.
What's up, guys?
Hey. So.
Hey, you know it's only been 2 hours in the car or Jeep or whatever.
Yeah, never mind that. Okay, let's go check around the house.
I already did. Right?
No, we just got here, but okay, guys, let's check around the house.
Spoil.
Yeah, so that's the kitchen. Yeah, hey, check it out. A seat, some Wi-Fi, and a excuse me, a globe. Huh. Pretty neat. Wow. That's awesome. Cool room. Give it a thumbs up. What?
We gotta get Minecraft today. The new update's out.
Ow!
People, look. People. It's out.
Yes. Ow,
Oh, sorry, Pac-Man. I'm too excited.
Alright. Well, cool room.
I'm gonna tell Redward.
Then I give thumbs up.
What's in there?
Let's not go there.
Agree. Ooh, a balcony. Ooh, stairs, folk. I think I'm going to enjoy that place, folk. I'll take to the left, and Mumbo, you take to the right.
Alright.
Whoa. Pretty cool room.
Yep, you said it.
Huh, the bed seems nice.
Feet looks so small. Huh? Oh, never mind. Ooh, there's a fan. There's a window. That's all the stuff they got. It's alright. Alright. Time to play Battle Nations.
Huh? Wait.
Oh yeah. So, what do you guys think? Yeah, it's awesome. It's great. An awesome place.
Yeah, even has some stairs. I like stairs to check around the big house. Yeah, even boom. Oh, I forgot there's something to tell you. There was a store right there next to us. No wait. Inside. Well, really? Yeah, that means that you get some more cheesecake. Yum. Really, dude? Oh yeah, I love cheesecake. Okay. Man, this place is really awesome. I just like to go on vacation with you guys.
Yep. Anyways, I gotta go start playing Battle Nations.
Oh, cool. I play that. I'm gonna go play mine.